Forget everything that you did with Nano Banana because this new tool just killed it. Hello and welcome to the video. Today we are going to test out Seedream 4.0, China's brand new release that people are already calling Nano Banana's killer. And honestly, it was about time. We've all been stuck with the same overused trends: 3D figures, retro styling, and endless sari edits. But finally, a new player has entered the game. China just dropped cutting-edge image generation tool that is said to be more advanced than Nano Banana. And the best part, this one, unlike Nano Banana, does not add any watermark or churn out low-quality photos. In fact, it generates images in 4K quality. So today, we're going to test this out. And one more thing, as of right now, there is no direct official platform where we can test out Seedream 4.0. But I will show you how you can use it for free using another platform as we go along. Bear in mind that by the time this video goes live, there could be some official platforms as well. So excuse us for that if that happens. Now, let's get started. So to use Seedream, head over to LoveArt.ai, create your account using Google, and it should come to this screen. Let's just click on next, 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 or we can also skip it. Right. And this is where we can add our prompt. So I'll just quickly walk you through. This is where we can select the models. And we have Nano Banana, we have Seedream 4, we have Gemini Imagen 4, GPT Imagen 1, and all of this. And today what we're going to test out is Seedream 4. We also have videos over here. We have 3D models as well. Okay, so let's concentrate on Seedream 4 for now. Okay, before we get started, when you create an account with LoveArt, they will give you 200 credits to begin with. And each image that you generate using Seedream will consume 4 credits. The best part, this credits renews every day. So as we have tested with Nano Banana, let's go with a very simple prompt. I've already selected the Seedream 4 as the image model, and it's getting executed. What I like about this platform is the images are actually put up in this canvas, and we can actually drag it and drop it wherever we want so that we can actually compare the results and so on and so forth. Now let's move on with aerial shot of the same coffee cup. And there you go, that has been added over here and looks much similar, isn't it? So now let's get more creative. And this is the prompt that we are going to try. A hyper-realistic render of a dinner plate containing a miniature world instead of food. On the plate, detailed landscape with rolling green hills, tiny forests, a winding river, and a small village with glowing windows are arranged as if they were a meal. Subtle steam rises like heat from freshly cooked food, blending into soft, realistic clouds above the microwave. The scene is rendered in Blender style, photorealism with ray-traced lighting, highly detailed textures, realistic depth of field, and cinematic atmosphere. The plate sits on a dining table with silverware shot in ultra high resolution. Okay, I'm still using Seedream and I've entered. And there you go. So looks wonderful, isn't it? Now let's try the same thing with Nano Banana. So let's see what Nano Banana generates. And while that's running, let's go back to LoveArt and try out the second prompt, which is photorealistic, ultra detailed, hyper-realism, HDR cinematic lighting, 8K bright and colorful, a surreal and joyful scene of an adult hippopotamus with human-like arms and legs together with a young hippopotamus also with human-like arms and legs. Okay, some more details about it and I'll hit enter. Let's quickly come back to Gemini to see if Nano Banana has generated it. Not yet. So this is almost executed while this is still running. Come back. Nope, not yet. Not yet. And there you go. So this is the image that it has generated for the prompt that we have given. Looks crazy. I can just drag it and drop it over here. Okay, on the canvas, I mean. And if we go here, this is still not done. Okay, now let's try combining two images. So I'm going here. Just want to make sure that this is the model. I'm going to upload a couple of images, and that's gonna be this one and this one. Okay, so the prompt is going to be combine both of these animals in one image. It's similar background. Let's go to Gemini. Nano Banana, still not done. A limited type offer. Upgrade now and to enjoy 365 days of unlimited Nano Banana, Seedream 4 and Midjourney. Okay, I'll come to this maybe a bit later. Okay, so you can see here, it is actually combined both the animals together in one image. Not bad. Okay, now let's check if this is done. Not yet. Oh my god, come on. I'm wondering why is it this slow. Anyways, now we want to edit the image. Now let's start editing our own image, and for that I'm going to upload one image. This is from my recent visit to Bhutan. Image is resized and some warning came in there. And I'm going to mention, like, remove the background and make it look like I am in front of Eiffel Tower. Let's see. And is Nano Banana? Come on, I think something wrong with the background. Okay, let's close this. And there you go. So the beauty of this image generation is it is high quality, right? So you can see here, this is like 1728 cross 230604. Sorry. Let's expand this, right? We could also expand this to whatever dimension we want. I'll escape this and click on upscale, right? It'll actually upscale the image and so on and so forth. We could also download this, of course. And if I open this image, you can see the quality. Right? So let's move on, and I'll ask make it look like thousands of people standing behind me in the same theme Eiffel Tower. Let's see what it does. And there you go. So yeah, looks almost real. Cool. Now, one of the things that we always experiment if it comes to image generation tool is if we can edit thumbnails. And for that, let's head over and upload this image. And then I'll also upload this image and then mention swap the first image person's face, giving more details on the thumbnail, with the second image person's face without any noticeable difference. Let's see if it is able to generate the thumbnails. It's executing. Crazy. This is not good. Right, so it just took maybe the beard from here and swapped it over here, and nothing much, right? The face looks still like the first image. So swapping is not working good in this. Okay. Now let's go to image restoration, and we could mention something like restore the image. Let's see. This should pretty much work. We have been seeing this working for quite some time now. And there you go. Pretty decent result, right? Now let's move on to some trending topic. And I'm going to upload the image from our recent award that we got. And I'm going to ask it to generate a highly detailed 1:7 scale commercials figuring of the characters from the reference image, crafted in a realistic style. The figurine is displayed on a modern computer desk, standing on a round, transparent acrylic base without any text or logos. On the computer screen is in the background a 3D modeling software window shows the digital sculpting process of this exact figurine. Next to the monitor, there is a collectible toy packaging box designed in the style of premium scale figures and so on and so forth. So let's do it. Okay, there you go. And let's quickly check this. I'm going to download this so that we can zoom in to see what you've got. You can see here, right? It looks a bit awkward. Yeah. Now, let's try to generate the same thing in openart.ai. And let's go to create image and custom settings. We can keep it to none. Model, let's switch and let's go to Seedream. Right, this is what we want to test out today. So let's just click on skip call and we can give the prompt over here, the same prompt, and here's where we're going to upload the image, and I'm going to upload the same image. Now keep in mind that this particular platform will take 15 credits for image generation, and that's why I'm going to make this as 1. Okay, and let's click on create because you just get 40 credits in this particular platform. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds already on. This particular platform seemed to have generated better images for 3D modeling, and let's wait and watch. Let's download this. Okay, so let's zoom in. Oh, where is the trophy? Come on, don't take it from me. But at least the rest of the image looks real with whatever is added over here and this one. Trophy should not have been taken, but that's what it is. Let's give it one more try. I'm going back to home. I'm going to skip all into image, skip all, switch, Seedream, skip all, come on. We'll use this thing again, and auto enhance is off. Let's enable this time because we have seen that it generated. So let me upload the image from here, and that's gonna be this one, and we just need one image because it takes our 15 credits. Let me click on create and let's see what it does. And while this is running, let's head over back to LoveArt and let's give the next prompt that is going to be the sorry trend, right? So I'm going to use this particular image, and there is some prompt like convert the image into 4K HD realistic, a stunning portrait of a young Indian woman with long dark wavy hair and so on and so forth. So let me just hit enter, Let's come back here to see if this has got generated. It has got generated, but without the trophy again. Okay, now the model over here has some trophy, not in this particular 3D figure here. So let's download this, and there you go. At least it looks close to real compared to what we had got in this particular platform. Right? Now let's see what it has generated for the sari trend. And there you go. But let's quickly check if the image that we've given, yeah, okay, looks close. Or maybe you guys put it in the comments if the image looks close. And finally, we could test out with some video, Gemini V3, and we could mention something like create a video of this image of the look. So it is using VO3, and let's see. Of course, it's taking some time because we are generating video. And there you go. So let's open this up. Okay, good enough. So you can see that the 4K quality of images that is being generated using this tool and Seedream is actually of very high quality without any watermark. But at the same time, character consistency has some issues, especially when we compare to Nano Banana, which gives us complete control over character consistency. Another drawback right now, as I mentioned before, is there is no official website where we can test Seedream directly. And if they release it before we release the video, excuse us for that. Until then, LoveArt and OpenArt allows us to test this model and see how it generates images. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share with others. And share your thoughts if you would shift from Nano Banana to this new tool in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.